I think it is one of the most challenging things that I ever done in my whole high school life. Hi everyone, my name is Huy. I am an international student from Vietnam, and I have started at public school since I was in year 8.
Hi, my name is Nila and I'm in year 11. Today I'm making vada puff, which is a traditional Indian chicken burger, and I hope you enjoy it.
Well, my parents not here, and I have no one to really physically teach me how to cook, and so being so far away, we have to adapt with the kind of like I call from here and she call from over there, and we learn how to cook online. It was really difficult.
Nói chung là người mẹ không ngờ Huy có khả năng mà nấu ăn giỏi như vậy. Có khả năng học hỏi và tìm tòi á, rồi mặc dù á là hai mẹ con chỉ nhau với nhau qua cái gọi là cái mạng thôi, nó rất là ngắn, rất là thu hẹp, nhưng mà không ngờ là Huy lại có tính cần cù siêng năng mà tự mình tìm hiểu rồi học hỏi làm ra được những món ăn mà khiến chị mẹ cũng rất là bất ngờ.
I think he could tell that I was cooking a lot more in the kitchen. Yeah, even when it was disasters. So, but yeah, he could definitely see like a change in me, because I would be like cooking and then he'll just come and try. This year I definitely became more resilient, and I was definitely more focused and organized with my dishes and stuff. My dad comes home like quite late in the evening, but he always still has the time to help me, and he's always like, I'm gonna help you perfect it and make sure everything's okay. But yeah.
Of course, I'm gonna cook her the most delicious dish that I've been practicing together in here. You know, I want to cook her all her favorite food. You know, if we have a dinner together, I'll be like, Mom, let me be the chef for the night.
I definitely appreciated them a lot more, and I could see like how much work they put in to help me with everything. I would just like to tell them that I love them very much, and I'm very grateful for everything they've done for me. Thank you.